back to Easy Nails. Today we are going to do the Lazy Girl nail method, Lazy Girl nails with acrylic and glitter. I'm going to show you how to get these nails super beginner friendly, absolutely no filing required, using the Lazy Girl nail method. So here I have full cover tips, and I am measuring them out to fit my nails perfectly. This step is super important for the Lazy Girl nail method. Again, it's super beginner friendly, so all you have to do is make sure you measure out your full cover tips to fit your nails. Now, because we are using acrylic, I like to make sure that the nails are just a tiny bit bigger than your natural nail, okay? Size up rather than size down, and I'm using clear acrylic here, and I'm putting glitter on the tip of the nail about halfway down. And again, you guys, these nails require absolutely no filing. They are super beginner friendly nails, and they are the Lazy Girl nail method. They're gonna take you super quick to do, probably 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll have a gorgeous acrylic nail set with no filing and no advanced nail skills required. Absolutely love the Lazy Girl nail method with acrylic. It's super easy. So again, you guys, I'm taking these glitters and I am applying them onto the half of the back side of the nail. For the Lazy Girl nail method, you want to apply your acrylic to the underside of the full cover nail. So I'm just applying on these glitters with clear acrylic, and you can flip them over to see exactly how your nail is going to look. That's what I love about the Lazy Girl nail method, that you can check your steps in between. So you can just flip over the nail and you can see the front of it and you can see exactly how it's going to look. And then I'm going in with this blue color. This is from Nail Supply Glamour, and it is a lovely blue color, and I'm applying this to the nail bed area and fading it a little bit over those sparkles. Again, you guys, this is done on the underside of the nail, and I suggest to use a little bit of wetter beads when you do this. You want to make sure that it's not too thick. And then, you guys, I just applied a little bit of clear acrylic after I did that blue, and I press it onto my natural nail. Now, my natural nail, you guys, for the Lazy Girl nail method, if you want these nails to last you 2 to 3 weeks, you need to make sure that you are prepping and priming your nails properly. That means scratching up the surface with a 180 file. Now, you do not want to create dents in your nail. Just lightly scratch over the surface of your nail. You're going to want to cleanse your nail and dehydrate your nail. And then you're going to put your primer on your nail just like you would for any other acrylic application. And then you are all ready to go on with these full cover nails. So you guys, I'm doing the same steps here throughout all of the nails. And when I'm doing the Lazy Girl method with acrylic, the smaller brush is going to be your friend. So at least a size 8 or smaller. It's much easier to get precise into those small nooks and crannies on the underside of the nail. And again, you want to make sure that you are using medium to wetter beads, because you do not want to apply the acrylic too thick, because this is going to change the size of your nail and it won't fit. That's why I suggested for you guys to go a little bit bigger in size of the nail, have it fit just a little bit bigger than perfectly on your nail, so that if you apply the acrylic a little bit thick, it's still gonna fit perfectly on to your nail. And you guys, with the Lazy Girl nail method, there's absolutely no filing. These nails are good to go. They will last you 2 to 3 weeks. And also, you don't even have to apply a top coat. I mean, I like to, because I like it super shiny, but the top of the nail is already top coated for you. No filing. Super easy, you guys, to pop on these nails and look fabulous. No skills required here. This is super easy. Now, you can do this with gel, you can do it with poly gel, but I like to do the Lazy Girl method with acrylic. Now, of course, because we are in the winter season, I am pulling out some nail stamping, throw right on top of those fully finished nails. That is it, you guys. Super simple. You see my set is done here. I'm just throwing on some nail stamping here. And I think these are some snowflakes and some icicle designs. Throwing them on top of the nail. And you guys, with nail stamping, just use tape and you can take off the excess design you do not want on your stamper. Super, super easy to do. And you guys see how perfect these nails are looking. That's it. I did not file them. I did not touch them. The Lazy Girl method is flawless with acrylic. Absolutely love it. So I'm just continuing to nail stamp here. I think I pick up some more snowflakes. And you guys, I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody's doing safe. Happy New Year to everyone. And I know I just released my giveaway winner, but do not worry, there is more giveaways coming up. Do not worry, more acrylic giveaways, and I have a monomer that I want to be giving away. So in order to know about those giveaways, you guys need to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I always show you guys tips and tricks about how to get beautiful, easy, and affordable nails from the comfort of your own home. So make sure you are hitting that subscribe button, like this video, comment below. Let me know if you guys like the Lazy Girl nail method with acrylic, if you prefer it with poly gel or with gel. Let me know if you guys have tried it before. Let me know how much you love it. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. I personally love the Lazy Girl nail method with acrylic. These nails last me 2 to 3 weeks. I have absolutely no filing to do, and they're super, super easy. So I love that part about it. And I love doing a glitter fade with the Lazy Girl nail method. I think it's super easy and super beautiful. So I'm just stamping some more snowflakes on these winter Lazy Girl method nails. And I'm gonna let you guys continue watching as I stamp these. We are all finished with our stamping, and of course you guys know me, I love my bling, so I wanted this bling to be delicate because the nails are so gorgeous as they are. So I'm just applying really small AB crystals right inside those snowflakes. I think that this added the perfect touch to the nail. I absolutely love the way that these turned out. And to apply my bling, I went over with a IBD hard gel, a really thin coat of that, and then I went right over that with Amy Lee No Wipe Top Gel uncured. And this is the perfect base, you guys, to apply bling. It works every time. Your bling will not fall off. So I did that to my first finger, and then I'm just applying the regular Amy Lee No Wipe Top Gel to the rest of my nails. And you guys, I absolutely love these. The Lazy Girl nail method never fails, and I love to do the Lazy Girl nail method for beginners or advanced nail techs. Quick and easy nails, and absolutely no filing required. I love that. I always take a super long time on filing because I'm obsessive with my shape, and I love that with the Lazy Girl nail method with acrylic, you do not need any filing. So we love that. And look at this glitter, you guys. Oh my God, the blue and the gold glitter. Absolutely gorgeous. Super easy to get that glitter fade with the Lazy Girl nail method. And here we have it, you guys. These super gorgeous Lazy Girl nail method nails with acrylic. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a fabulous new year. Hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and comment below. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much, and Happy New Year. Bye.